Do you think teacher also shall go through theater, maybe to find ways to interact differently with the teacher and gather attention?
What we observe in the teachers in Bulgaria, if this kind of a playfulness develops in the teacher, this I think immediately will affect how he enters the class and how he is ready to work with the group dynamic and with the focus of the students in the class.
I had a very good physics teacher that was always bringing the experiments to the classroom. I was thinking to myself, wow, if this guy was able to spin a ball in his hand to explain rotation and to explain gravity center and forces, it would have blown my mind, you know? If he was able to juggle 3 balls and to explain the shapes of the objects in the space and the relation of the gravity and the direction of vectors and the forces, and that would have been fascinating.
And of course, there's like simple tips. For example, something I use in a group when, sometimes really the kids are so out of concentration that they are really screaming, laughing. So I start whispering, and in 1 minute they say like, "Oh, what's happening here?" And they calm down.
So maybe playing a role as a teacher can help you gather children's attention.
Yeah, like they can enter the class, and instead of writing the lesson number 12, the aggregate state of the water, he can jump into class like, today I will, opening the Kamishibai, say like, today I will tell you a wonderful, wonderful story of the water of the world. So this kind of things can be used a lot.
Малки трикове.
So little tricks. For example, today is a test day. But if the teacher came in the room and said like, I forgot everything about our solar system. Please help me. Come here on the desk and tell me as much as you remember about the solar system, because I'm really in trouble. I forgot everything. So that the children, they will help her, that help the teacher, and because they will be emotionally involved with helping the teacher, they will remember much more of. Instead of to be tense, like I now be tested, so that changed everything.
Yeah, sometimes if you can begin with a piece of showmanship, a kind of a dramatic theatrical moment, you really engage interest, and then you can start asking the more sort of probing, imaginative questions that I hope will stay with the kids and really make them think hard afterwards.